Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam program. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am S. Parvin, working as functional English and life skill trainer in AP Balayogi Gurukulam at Lakshmapuram, Kurnool district. Now, I want to speak about buddy reading. Now, children, can anybody guess what is the meaning of buddy? Now, I will give a clue by a proverb. A friend who shares is a friend who cares. I think now you understood the meaning of buddy. Buddy means a close friend. The word buddy is origin from Northern America. Okay, we want to share our feelings, emotions, and wants to play, enjoy with our friends. Not that? Yes. Why can't we read together? The process of reading together is called buddy reading. Before we going to know that, I would like to ask you one question. Why should we read? I mean to ask what are the advantages of reading? A list of advantages are there by reading books. They are strengthens the brain, increase empathy, builds vocabulary, reduce stress, good communications skills, etc. Good communication skills are essential to interact with others, especially command over English and gives opportunity to gain knowledge. Now we can know how to read better. Reading together also has its benefits. Reading together is nothing but buddy reading. What does buddy reading means? Buddy reading means reading the same book with your buddy at the same time together. The buddy can be anyone, a new friend you made or a friend you had all your life. You just need to have the same love of reading books. Next, how do I buddy read a book with my buddy? Reading along a book with a friend is one of the most interesting and adventurous experience you will ever get while reading. I mean, just think about it. You will be getting into an amazing story or a terrible story together. If the book you choose turns out to be a good one, you will get to fun, girl or boy, it together. And if you choose a bad one, you will be whined about it with your reading buddy. So, buddy reading is always fun through and through. To achieve this reading experience, you will have to follow some ground rules. So, here they are. Rule number one: try not to read a book with more than one person at a time, especially if you are buddy reading for first time, or else the whole story might get smashed up and you might end up getting into unexpected spoilers. Second rule: when starting a book, set a chapter where both of you will stop reading at the same time. Make sure that both of you don't go any further without talking and discussing about the previous chapter together. Thus, the second rule is the most important aspect of buddy reading. We share so many things with our friends, what we like, dislike. In the same way, we talk about the chapter we have covered so far. That can be anything. How is the content? How is the writing style? Does the language easy or difficult, etc. Next is coming to third rule. Don't set the chapters of your chosen book too far from each other before having another discussion. For example, if you are in fifth chapter, tell each other to stop at 8th or 10th depending on the length of the each chapter. Next is Fourth rule, choose a book that you will both want to read. That means both of you have to select one book for reading. Now coming to fifth rule. If you if your reading paces are different, choose another book for yourself that only you will read while you wait for your friend to finish the required chapter. In that way, you will not want to keep reading a few more chapters after finishing the decided chapters of the chosen book. Now coming to sixth rule. Don't discuss about the other book while reading the chosen book with your buddy. Don't talk about it until you are done with the chosen book. Now let us recapitulate rules again. Rule number 1. You must not try to read a book more than one person at a time, especially if you are buddy reading for first time because it spoils the whole story. Rule number 2. When starting a book, set a chapter and both of you have to stop reading at the same time and discussion have to take on the previous chapter which are completed. Now come to rule 3. Don't select the chapters too far. Means, for example, if a book contains 15 chapter, you are reading third chapter and you asked your friend to read fifth or sixth chapter. That may not lead to confusion. This fourth rule. Choose the same book to read means both the buddies have to select the same book to read. Fifth rule. If your reading paces are different, then choose another book for yourself and wait till your friend to complete his chapters. By this way, you can read and discuss about the chapters of chosen book. Now come to sixth rule. Don't think about other book while reading chosen book with your buddy because it will not complete the reading of chosen book with your buddy. So, what did we see here? Two buddies sitting together, elbow to elbow, knee to knee, and reading the same book. One person reads the sentence, and his or her buddy reads the next sentence. They will be taking turn and reading one by one, and they enjoying the reading. Now, let us see 5 benefits of buddy reading. First one is buddy reading encourages accountability and friendship. A buddy read is fairly simple. You and at least one friend read the same book at the same time. Then talk about it. You can share generalities such as where you left off in the story and how you felt overall about what you just read or more specific details. In this way, buddy reading encourages us to be accountable to our friends and to ourselves. Second benefit is it can motivate you to read a book you might otherwise delay reading on your own. Long books make great buddy reads. For this very reason, you might be beating your nails over the page count, but you will be more motivated to finish it if you tackle it with a friend. Third benefit is it compels you to read a book more deeply. Means sound like a two-person book club, right? That really what a buddy read is beside a bookish trust building activity. It inspires you to study the story more cleanly than you most likely would have on your own and give a deeper appreciation for the author's work. Fourth benefit is it gives you the perfect excuse to geek out. The point is, buddy reading and geeking out go hand in hand. If you and your friend are both fans of a series or a author, you're bound to find plenty of reasons to go squee together. Fifth benefit is it makes reading even more fun. If you are enjoying a buddy read, you are more likely to geek out with your friend, gain a greater appreciation for the story, be accountable during challenge and finish the book. Most important, you will forge a stronger friendship with your buddy read companion. Come to the conclusion. The buddy learning is a process in which two individuals, the buddies, cooperate together as a single unit so that they are able to monitor and help each other. Both the individuals have to do the job. The job could be to ensure that the work is finished safely or the skill learning is transferred effectively. Now, students, I have a question to you. Have you buddy read a book before? If yes, tell me what was your experience. If you have not, please try it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.